So what's up? Yesterday I took almost like five, six, seven trades, and every single trade is losing. So my first entry was up here, exactly right around here in my eval. But the reason why I couldn't take the trade in my fund futures account is because I don't know, for some reason it doesn't want to take a trade. So once I came here, I wanted to break even uh, and target the recent liquidity. It's right up here, and also one more liquidity is right up here. And I was completely wrong because just because I got manipulated because of this liquidity sweep up here. So that was the first trade, and it was a loss. Second right up here, straight up, break even, break even, break even. I also almost around like $500 on this trade. And the third one, every single trade is like I wanted to enter at a place and I couldn't do that. So it's like that. And also there is no setup. My bad. And I was completely wrong yesterday, so it's okay. Days like this happen, and that's a part of the journey. And I'm down like 1.25%, 1.5% to be honest, 1.5% to be honest. So what's this? I don't know what to say. I still got like 2% left, and that's not gonna affect me for sure. And I'm not affected because of that. But I didn't actually trade today. The reason why is that I had an exam, so I couldn't actually trade. Let me just go ahead and see what I would have done. So that's all time high. Prices at all time high. What we supposed to do? We supposed to go with the trend, which I didn't do yesterday, which is absolutely nuts to be honest. Because of that, I lost most of my money just because of that. So these are the two liquidities, and also this one, the potential one. If the price is about to come down, this is where it has to reverse. And as I was looking at Blake's video, and he actually gave out some sauce, which is this swing, this swings 50%, which is this one. So once market open, at least it has to retest the 50%. That's a good thing that I got from Blake. Yeah, other day I was watching this video like few hours before. Anyways, that was a good sauce to be honest. And maybe market open manipulates above and then come back down. Let's see. So already been swept. So market opened. What it did, swept above, and it has to come below totals. We have nothing on 5 minutes, nothing on 1 minute. It's absolutely trash. This price action is absolutely trash. I couldn't actually see any fair value gap up here. How the am I supposed to enter a trade? So we got a sweep as we expected to the 50% of this whole range. And now we can actually require reversal. And to be honest, there's no setup up here. Until now, this is almost like half an hour after market open, which is absolutely nuts. So we gotta, how to say this? So one, we got a market structure shift, and I don't know that whether we want to take that. But look, this we can actually take, to be honest. So if I'm gonna take the trade, my stop loss is going to be below this low. And If we get an inverse, that would be much more better because we have a clear drawn liquidity up here. So there you go. There I enter. So even after this, like once you see a wick like that, you can actually enter on the next candle. So which is also a thing that you can actually do. So you got inverse delivering off of this 1 minute, 5 minute fair value gap. Yeah, you got nothing on 15 minutes, nothing on 5 minutes, and you really cannot actually trade this. But I don't know, most of the people traded this, made money. And anyways, I was not in the market, so which is I don't know what I would have done. I would have actually taken a trade based off this. That's an inverse, 15 minutes, 5 minutes inverse, and also delivering off this one 5 minutes fair value gap right up here. So another 5 minutes fair value gap. I wouldn't actually mind about the 50%, but I just would have taken that as a liquidity sweep once I saw a market start to shift. And maybe probably once price closed about this, once about this, I would have probably looked for inverse, which never happened. Probably went to much more lower time frame, like 15:30. Maybe I would have entered a trade because price is actually rejecting off a 5 minutes fair value gap and also swept some liquidity. So I would have actually looked for some, uh, inverse fair value gap, which exactly happened here, Pati. So there you go. My target be at the all-time high, and take profit is about 1:1. So 1:1 is all you need, bro. And I'm telling you. So my break-even point would be about this. That's take profit at how much more? 20-point move, which is crazy, but this is a one possible setup that I would have had today. So, anyways, I couldn't actually trade, but that's all good. It's okay. Uh, I can also do this 50% to that week. So I won't be trading all those stuff, but still, that's a confluence that you can take from days like these in obvious liquidity. When you have an obvious liquidity, you could have actually did all this. Anyways, I almost lost a lot of money on the trade on a lot of money yesterday, and I didn't want to trade today. But the main reason why I didn't trade today is because of my exams. Um, that's it, I guess. So okay, adios.